Hi everyone, I'm David Hewitson and I'm the Delivery Manager for Viz One, and today I'm going to share a new feature that's been added to Adobe Assistant 4.1. Okay, so let's jump right in. So one of the improvements with this release is to show the descriptive metadata for an asset when we open it in the Adobe Assistant panel. Once we've run a search and we have some search results, let's pick an asset and we can use the arrow at the side to expand it out. We now have access to two tabs, one of which is the equivalent of the Files tab in Viz One, showing all the available files associated with an asset. And we now also have access to a Metadata tab. When we click on this, we can see the same metadata that is visible against the asset in Viz One. For example, here, title, description, QC status, various other useful bits of information. The main advantage here is in being able to access information about an asset without having to bounce back and forth between Premiere and Viz One Studio.